Ready? Start. In light of the 46th Amendment to the Constitution, several state governments amended their sales tax laws and made provisions for the imposition of sales tax in relation to works contracts. Stop. Each state adopted its own method of determining taxable turnover, either by framing rules under its sales tax law or by issuing administrative directions. Stop. The method adopted by the states for determining the taxable turnover relating to works contracts for purposes of levy of sales tax were such that sales tax had to be paid by the building contractors not merely on the value of materials supplied by them in connection with the works contracts but also on the expenditure they had incurred in securing the services of architects and engineers who had supervised the execution of the works, and also on the amount which they were entitled to receive from supervising the execution of the works. Stop. While levying sales tax on the price of the materials supplied for the construction of houses, factories, bridges, etc., the sales tax authorities of the states did not take into account the conditions and restrictions imposed by Article 286 of the Constitution and the provisions of the Central Sales Tax Law. Stop. Over.